Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I am filming a get ready with me, I guess, kind of. Probably going to be part of my Fall Makeup Friday series if I can get it edited in time and uploaded on a Friday. But I'm basically going to do my makeup for you guys. I'm going to use the Sweet as Honey palette from Focallure. I look very tired, red. I've got like spots on my face. I'm just not having a good week with my skin, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let's just go ahead and get started. My face is like red. I'm getting like a rash right here. It's just like red and not really good right now, but I'm gonna start with my eyes today. I want to do a little bit more of a dramatic look. It's like 7 p.m. right now, but I'm hoping to film another video after this tonight. This is like my filming night, so I want to put in actual effort with my makeup today. I'm going to use these, which I forgot I had actually. They're like these little tape things from Elle. I struggle a lot with these just because I can never get them evenly placed on my eyes, so the eyeshadow always ends up looking funny, but we'll see how that goes. See, I'm like getting this huge rash everywhere. Like my whole face is little, they're not pimples, but they're just like skin rashes all over my face. I'm going to take the Sweet as Honey palette from Focallure, and I'm going to start by taking, I think I'm going to take this shade actually, which is Desert Sand. It's kind of got a little pink in it. I think I want to do a red and green look because I want to use the red shade in this palette. I might do that today, like a green red Christmassy look, even though it is not Christmas. Well, it's November 23rd today, so it's actually almost a month till Christmas. Maybe I will use Turkish Rose next. It's just a little bit deeper. It's kind of too purpley though. There's not really like a brown shade in this palette, which is a bit annoying because I like using brown on my lids. This is probably the closest to a brown shade. Okay, and now I'm going to go into the red shade, which is called Cordovan. I'm going to go very lightly at first and build this one up. I'm just going to apply it in the outer corner. I want to dip back into the original shade we used, which was called Desert Sand, just to help blend out some of the red. Okay, I might regret this, but I really want to use the shade Danger, which is this emerald green shade right here. I'm going to try it with a brush, and if it doesn't pick up very well, I'll go in with my finger. Oh, this is like pretty intense. I haven't used this palette yet. Well, I have, but like not on camera, and I haven't used all of the shades in it yet, but this is like a really pretty teal shade. I guess it's less green and it's showing up a little bit more teal, and it's also getting everywhere. It's very powdery. I do like it though. It's like a really intense teal shade. Just gonna try and smooth out the crease area a bit. So I'm gonna go back into Desert Sand with a cleaner brush. It's not fully clean, but it's definitely cleaner than the one I was using in my outer corner, and I'm just going to blend this teal shade a bit into the crease so that there's not that stark line. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of the red shade to deepen it up slightly and just smooth out that transition between the teal shade and the outer corner. I think I'm just going to use my finger and go over the green shade and see if we can build it up a bit. Oftentimes they become a little bit more intense and vibrant with the finger instead of the brush. I think I'm going to add winged liner as well, just a little one, because I feel like that will work with this look, but I'm probably going to do it off camera because it stresses me out on camera, so I'll be right back with the wing. I think to help make it a little bit less messy on the outer corner, or maybe make it more messy, I don't know, I'm just going to smoke out the wing a bit with the shade Myrtle, which is the black shade from this palette. Moaning Myrtle, but I'm going to just deepen up the outer corner with the black and kind of smoke out the wing a little bit. These wings are definitely not going to be even with the tape. I know it's like when I place the tape down, that's what gets me. I feel like the red keeps fading every time I add another color, so I'm just going to add a bit more of the red. I don't know why it keeps like disappearing. Maybe it's not gonna stain. I think I'm gonna stop there with the eyes. I'm gonna just pull these off. We'll see the damage. They're not too bad this time. I don't think I messed them up too much, but I want to just wipe off the fallout on my face, and then we will start on the skin. My face is so red and irritated lately. I do not understand this. I'm going to apply my primer, which is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I guess this is going to be the last fall makeup look of the year. I'm still going to try and post this one in November, but then we're going to be in December, and I am starting to film for the 12 days of Christmas, which is when I upload every day for 12 days in the month of December. I am going to just apply my foundation, which is the Born to Glow from NYX in the shade Nude. But yeah, so I am not going to be posting too much at the start of December because that's when I have to film and edit for the 12 days of Christmas. So there's probably not going to be too much content coming out over the next couple weeks. I'll try and get a December favorites out, or November favorites. November favorites, I'll try and get that out, and then I'll try and do a makeup I'm wearing in December, but starting hopefully on December 13th, I will be posting a video every day until Christmas Eve. That takes up most of my time though, so I don't have much time to film other content from now until like December 13th. The end of the year always goes by so quickly, like so quickly. I can't believe it's going to be December next week, and it's just like, it goes by so fast, and Christmas is going to be here before we know it. I've already bought most of my family presents. I get like antsy about this. Antsy about it, and I just want to get everything ordered and packaged and ready to go as soon as possible. I'm just not a last minute Christmas shopper at all. I hate that. It stresses me out. So I almost have all of my family's presents sorted, which is relieving. And I have a bunch of Christmas activities coming up, which is going to be fun. I love Christmas activities. I'm just using my regular concealer, which is from L'Oreal, which I'm going to toss into my empties bin. I'm pretty sure there's nothing left in it, and I can barely get anything out. So it's going into the empties bin, but I will definitely be repurchasing it because it is the best concealer. I do not like how my skin looks today. Like, I don't know if it's just because I'm having such a bad reaction on my skin right now. I'm going to set everything with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Powder. Maybe this is the problem. This is kind of old. Maybe I've been using this and it's been making my skin funny. I'm just kind of applying this powder all over my face because I'm wearing foundation. I kind of just want it to set everything. Then I'm going to use some bronzer. I'm using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I really like this product. I really like the shade of it as well. Like, the formula is good. The shade is also really nice. It's kind of a neutral shade that works with my skin tone. It's not too warm or too cool. It is in the shade Bronzer. And for blush, we are using my Focallure Sun-Kissed Blush Duo in the shade Marshmallow Kiss. So I'm going to use a combination of both of these. I'm just going to kind of mix them up. This blush has really grown on me. Like, when I first applied it, I wasn't like the biggest, I guess I wasn't the biggest fan of it, but as I've used it more and more, I just really love how soft and elegant, I guess it is. It looks very, like, it's a very ladylike blush shade. I'm just applying that on the apples of my cheeks. I also drag my blush on my nose and chin, and sometimes above my brow as well to just even things out. And I'm going to spritz everything with my NYX Bear With Me setting spray, and after that I'm going to do my eyebrows, and then I will be back to finish the eyes. Yeah, and then we're pretty much done. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm going to start by applying some black eyeliner. This one is just from Maybelline. Kind of connect it up towards the wing as best as I can. This wing is like horribly done. It's so high, I can't even connect it. Then I'm going to take a small flat liner brush, and I want to take that black shade, Myrtle. I'm just going to go over the black eyeshadow that we placed down. No, black eyeliner that we placed down. I know it looks scary right now. I'm going to try and blend it out. I'm going to take the shade Desert Sand, which was the original shade we used in our crease. And I'm going to use that to kind of blend out this lower lash line. I'm going to avoid adding any red to the lower lash line because I might end up looking very tired or sick. It's kind of a messy look. I'm not doing the best job at blending this out. I'm going to take the shade Khaki, which is this one right here, and I'm going to use it in the inner corner. I might try to just do a little bit more blending off camera, but I'm going to pop on mascara and then add a lip color, and we are finally done. The mascara is on, so I'm going to just apply a lip color. My face still looks really red, and whatever, it doesn't matter. It's not my best makeup day. It's not my best skin or makeup day today, but I'm going to apply Bright Mocha on my lips. This is from L'Oreal. Really more of an everyday shade, but I felt like the color matched the eye look a lot, so that's why I wanted to use it. And that completes this makeup look. So that completes this video. I hope you guys liked this makeup look. I know it was a bit messy and sloppy, but in general I really liked the Sweet as Honey eyeshadow palette. But yeah, that is this kind of Christmassy, well, pre-Christmas eyeshadow look. Thank you guys as always for watching. Again, let me know if there's anything you really want to see during the 12 days of Christmas. It doesn't have to be makeup related. It could be really anything, any type of video. Let me know. I will just have a couple more videos coming out before then, and I'm going to focus most of my energy on that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the Fall Makeup Friday series this year. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and I'll see you in my next one.